Hello, everyone. You're welcome to another episode of All Things Cut and Craft. I'm Abiola, and if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining us. And if you are old subscriber, returning subscribers now, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So today we are going to be doing another vinyl project, and we are going to be writing something on a dish soap dispenser. So if you want to learn how to do it, you want to know more about vinyl, keep watching, don't go anywhere, and I'll be back shortly. For the supplies, we need a soap dispenser, I need a premium vinyl, and that's Cricut, a transfer tape, weeder, and a scraper, cotton board, alcohol, and a standard grip mat, then a trimmer. So if you are not familiar with all of this, go back to previous video. You get to know them very well, and the supplies are in the link where you can get all of these things I mentioned delivered to your doorstep at no additional cost to you. So this came in 3 colors, so I'm trying to check which one will match the dispenser correctly. So I decided to go with the black. So then after there, I just cut a little bit out for me to start working on it for the project. So something that you should not skip before cutting your vinyl is measuring the space where you're going to be putting your design. So this is very important, so you can get a very accurate design which will not be too big or which will not be too small. So that will inform your decision in cutting out the right amount of vinyl from the whole roll. Then you can start the project. So as you can see, I'm trying to measure it with the actual measurement I have from the space in mind. So this is about 2 inches. So I'm going to be doing 2 inches by 2 inches. And because the design, which you will see very soon, is a circle design, so you want to also put that in mind. You know how a circle goes. So I'll get that out, then roll the other ones back, then set that aside. So now I just place the shining side up on the mat. This is very important when it comes to vinyl. You want to place the shiny side down, shiny side up. Then you want to be sure that that space on the mat is up. So I think I was trying to do 2 things right here. So I'm trying to cut out 2 things. So now it's ready to be sent to the machine, and here you have it already inserted into the machine. Then the cut is sent from the tablet. So I already had the design on my tablet, so I just sent it, and I pressed the Cricut flashing button for it to start cutting it. Then the progress will be on my tablet, which I'll be able to see how far it has gone. Now it has started cutting, and I will wait for some few minutes for it to complete the task. If you enjoy what you are seeing and then you want to see more of this type of video, please, this is the right time for you to subscribe. The subscribe button is down there. Click it. Then you also click the notification bell beside it. That will get you notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you so much. And then don't forget to like this video. It's very important. And then share with your friends. Tell them about Cricut too. Also leave your comments after you must have watched the video. What did you like about this soap dispenser? So my cutting is almost done, as you can see from the tablet. So the tablet, the software will give me the update about the cutting, and when it's done I will just press the flashing button to unload the mat. Then here I have my cut. So as you can see, it's well cut, it's beautifully cut. So right now the next thing to do is to get this out of the mat. You may also choose to leave it on the mat like some people do, but I mostly like to get it out. So the next thing is to take my weeder and start peeling it right from the tip. So here I will just get out the negative part that I am not going to be putting on the dispenser. So I may also use this some other day if I so wish. So that's why I'm putting it on the alcohol. So I'll get all the tiny cut in the middle of the letters out, just for it to come out nice. Some people also actually leave those on heat. Then this is the other one I cut. Actually just trying to experiment something right here, but this doesn't come out really nice. It's also another pattern, another design of dish soap. So I was thinking, okay, should this go on it or this other one? So I later went with the circle one, which I think is perfect. So the next step is get a little bit of alcohol to wipe the surface of the soap dispenser, and then get rid of dirt and make sure there is no oil on heat that may hinder the placement of the design on the soap dispenser. So now this is what is called transfer tape. So I'm just trying to get some of the exact size of my cut. So what transfer tape does is to remove the cords, the vinyl from the original backing. So just bash it down like so it will stick to that transfer tape. That tape is actually sticky, so as you can see, it's lifting it already. If it's not, you bash it again until they are attached to the tape, and you can just pull out the backing right away. So that is it. Now I'll get the dispenser, then just let it cool down a little bit from the alcohol, and just place it in a way that it will be showing out when it's being placed on the kitchen countertop or the kitchen sink. And just try and bash it again down so the vinyl will stick to the soap dispenser. Then just lift the transfer tape from it. So be very careful when lifted, so none of this cord is attached to the transfer tape again. So that is it. I got the transfer tape out, then I bash it down. This can be made permanent with Mod Podge, and it won't remove, and that is it. This dish soap is all ready for me to add some soap. So I got this soap in a big container. Then I'll be adding this just in little quantity for me to use in the kitchen. So I have my soap dispenser ready to be used. So if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I will be there to attend to your questions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be all for today. Thank you so much for watching. So next week we'll be doing more vinyl projects, and I hope you want to subscribe, turn on the notification bell down here, and don't forget to like, share, leave your comments about this video. And this is your crafty friend telling you to create your own happiness because it's in your hand. See you in the next video. Bye.